Hi, Dave Strider here, your candidate for U.S. Senate. I've got to tell you some really good news. Today I went to Seattle to take part in the 29th anniversary of the massacre of Tiananmen Square. I was there as a guest speaker. And as a guest speaker, I let the people know, and if you can hear it in China, that I support your march for freedom, your march for independence. Independence meaning free thought. I want you to know that this campaign, and as your elected senator from Washington State, I will do everything that I can to stop the corruption of our government that allows us to make deals with dictators. Our own president is on borderline. The word fascism, Nazis, and everything else came up to play today. And I talked about the United States and how we have our rights also being threatened. When I began speaking, the passion rolled. You know how I get. Well, it was passion that they had never seen come from anyone who was somebody in politics. I was that person today. I lit a fire of hope. The same fire that you and I have that can vote. The people that are out here today, all they wanted to do is have freedom for their brothers and sisters in China. And we as Americans need to support those efforts by not going into trade deals which are going to ship American jobs to China or American technology to China until the human rights are addressed, that all political prisoners are released from Chinese prisons, that all political prisoners here in the United States are also released from U.S. citizens.